Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows 11 task view keeps popping up fixed. Open registry with administrative privileges. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as no virtual desktop, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.